Today we are going to talk about rounding. And rounding means to estimate the number or to turn the number into other number which is easier to say. And you're going to need rounding in grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 and so on. So let's start by the song. Let's sing the song all together, then let's explain every word in the song. The song says, mark your place. Look next door. 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or greater, add 1 more. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind, zeros their name. So let's explain the song by word. First, he said, mark your place. Where is my place? We have a number, like this number, okay? Can you read this number? 235. It's a 3-digit number, okay? Where is my place? He wants me to mark my place. Mark your place. Where is my place? My place, I know it by the question. The question said, round to the nearest 10. Round to the nearest 10. So I know from the previous lesson where is the 10th place. We have the ones place, the 10th place, and the hundreds place. So he wants me to mark the 10th place. So the 10th place here is number 3. Let's mark it or underline the number he asked me to mark. Okay, so let's underline the 10th place. Okay, this is the first one. Mark your place. The next one, look next door. So let's look at the next door. What we have in the next door? We have number 5. What else? If the number in the next door 4 or less, just ignore. What's the meaning of this? If this number is 4 or less, what's the meaning of less? The numbers before. Okay, so it's 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 0. If the number in the next door is 4 or less, just ignore. What's the meaning of ignore? Ignore means we don't do anything. The number we mark will stay the same. Why? Because the numbers from 4 or less, 4 or 3 or 2 or 1 or 0, these are poor numbers. You can see an empty hand. Empty hand cannot give me anything. Okay, so these are poor numbers. So just ignore. The number will stay the same. So if this number in the next door 4 or less, no, it's 5. So let's see the next. 5 or greater, add 1 more. So if the number in the next door 5 or greater, what's the meaning of greater? It means 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, from 5 to 9, okay? So 5 or greater, add 1 more. Add 1 more to who? To the number we mark. Add 1 more to the number we mark. Why we add 1 more? Because from 5 or greater, these are rich numbers, okay? You can see a hand which is not empty. This is an empty hand, but this one is not empty. It can give me 1, okay? It can give me 1 because it's rich, okay? So numbers from 5 or greater, 5 to 9, these are rich numbers. So we will add 1 more to the number we mark. So it will not be 3 anymore. It will be 4. After we add 1 more, it will be 4. And what about numbers in front and numbers behind? We have 1 digit in front and we have 1 digit behind. Let's see, numbers in front stay the same. So numbers in front, which is number 2, it will stay the same, 2 as it is. Okay, what about the number behind? Number behind, zeros their name. Okay, so instead of 5 it will be 0. Is it easy? Let's take another example. So the first example says, to the nearest 100, round to the nearest 100. We have a big number. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. Okay, so we have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousand place, and the 10,000 place. Okay, so the question says to the nearest 100. So where's the hundreds? Where's the 100 place? I will mark which number? Ones, tens, hundreds. So I will mark this number, number 6. Yalla, let's look next door. What we have in the next door, is it a poor number or rich number? We said 4 or less. Poor numbers. So just ignore. It's less than 4. So just ignore. It will be 6 as it is. So the number will be 6 as it is. Okay. Numbers in front. Can you remember the song? Numbers in front stay the same. So 32 will stay the same. Okay, and don't forget the comma. Numbers behind, zeros their name. So instead of 2 it will be 0, instead of 4 it will be another 0. Let's take another example, and the last one will be homework. Round to the nearest 1,000, to the nearest 1,000. So this is a 4-digit number. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and 1,000. Round to the nearest 1,000, so let's mark our place. To the nearest 1,000, 6 is the 1,000. Let's look next door. Let's look next door. Is it poor or rich number? It's rich number. From 5 or greater, rich numbers. So we will add one more to the marked number. It will be 7, not 6 anymore. Then the comma. Numbers in front stay the same. Do we have numbers in front? No. So that's it. Numbers behind, zeros, their name. So we have how many digits here? 1, 2, 3 digits. So we'll write 3 zeros. 1, 2, and 3 zeros. Is it easy? Thank you. The last one, it's a homework, okay? I want you to solve this one and please send it to me, because if it's right, I will say your name with your photo in the next session. Bye!